if you're planning to be an active trader, some of my portfolio nasa active trading. I have to tell you this, okay? It's not easy. It's not easy to become an active trader. So my suggestion is if you open an account sa OKX, use a demo account. Okay, may demo naman po kasi dyan eh. So at least makikita mo lang yung movement, nakikinig ka dito araw-araw. Uy, sabi ni Tito, may ganitong pwede mangyari. Sige nga, makinig lang muna ako kay Tito G, try ko. Pero, wag sa real account ha. Demo lang. Hanggang sa magkaroon ka na ng confidence, makabuo ka ng sarili mong strategy, kakatambay mo dito. Maybe, gumamit ka ng Tipay, yung Tipay trading system natin, na try mo, gumagana, confident ka na. That's the time to start nibbling some, putting some money for active trading. So never ever put a lot of money if you're a newbie. Bago ka lang dito pero todo max ka. Akala mo, kakayanin mo yung market. Akala mo, dire-diretso lang yung market. Remember, cold hard truth, making money in crypto, in trading, in active trading especially, does not require a degree, professional, na high level of intellect. Hindi po kailangan yon. Kailangan lang po is discipline, patience, risk management, some technical analysis. Of course, magagawa mo yung maging discipline, madedevelop mo yung skill na yan through experience. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawin, hindi mo ma-experience, hindi mo madedevelop yung skill. So, making money, yun po, regardless of what the price of Bitcoin, your Solana, your Ethereum, regardless kung nasaan yung presyo na yan. Pag meron ka ng skill, you can make money, regardless of the price. Do you agree?